Oh boy. All right, 3, 2, 1, we're live on Facebook here at Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement in temporarily sunny Sharpsburg, Georgia. A few clouds up there. Who knows what's going to happen with the weather down here? It seems like it changes every 30 minutes, but that's all right. That's all right. It's a bright Saturday. Fixing to get started on this new project here. This 2005 Mustang that has not been well cared for aesthetically anyway. I don't know about the mechanical end of it, but this one is going to require some special attention, and it's going to be a long process. See when the sun comes out like that, all I can see is my reflection in the face of the camera, being assisted by my lovely helper, Miss Angela. I'm lucky today, folks. Lucky. Oh my, but this Red Mustang, and I believe this is a factory paint job, although, or OEM as they say, although I suspect some of these panels may have been repainted, but I'm not positive. And these stripes, I think, were DIY installed by the owner of this Mustang. But this thing is supposed to be, I believe, what they call vermilion red. I think it's supposed to be the same color as mine. But as you can see, it is oxidized pretty badly. It's almost pink in certain spots. So we got our challenges cut out for us there. And the customer also painted the wheels, I think he said, with plastic dip, just to improve their appearance somewhat. So I'm not sure what we'll be able to do with those wheels, but we'll get the tires clean and black anyway. And we'll do the best we can with those wheels to make them look better than they do now. He didn't do a terrible job. It's just that plastic dip is not known for its longevity. Like I said, those stripes he put on, I'm not sure about if he put these on or not, but you can see they've already degraded. If you look at that U down there, the sun's so bright out here, I have no idea. I can't see the viewer to see what y'all are looking at. But we'll work on that. And folks, with all this oxidation, this car is scratch city. It's like some of the other cars I do. I don't know if you guys can see the bedded in contaminants. This car's full of contaminants. There's a lot of rock chips, which I can do nothing about. The headlights and the fog lights need attention. A lot of stuff on this car needs a lot of attention. Oh boy. But we'll see what we can do. We'll try to bring this back, this plastic, which is a kind of a pebbled surface, which makes it difficult to work with. But we'll see if we can't bring that back for him. As you might imagine, the roof is bad. That's where some bird poop looks like has dried and embedded into the clear coat. See if we can get rid of most of that. Of course, we'll do the glass. He's got a CB radio in his car, folks. When's the last time you saw or heard of a CB radio? It's nasty all down in there. Of course, as typical for those of you who've watched my videos before, what we're going to do is strip wash this thing. You know, that's a multi-step process. Then we'll decon the paint. I'm just trying to pan around and show you guys parts of this hammered ass vehicle. I mean, you know, you look up there, that almost looks like a different color than down here, because the vertical surfaces don't get hammered as badly as the horizontal surfaces. Looks like it's been through many, many what I call tunnel car washes. Because I can't tell what y'all are seeing, because it's like I said, the sun is so bright out here, but when you get up, you know, within a few feet of this car, you can see all the scratching. And I think a lot of this oxidation has come from neglect, also improper washing methods, which have put a myriad of scratches on it, and the scratches at some point start to dull your paint a little bit because it takes the shine away. And where the scratches are in the clear coat, the UVA UVB protection in those scratches has been reduced, and the sun and other things coming start to affect your clear coat, which is part of what dulls your finish and gets rid of the gloss. Oftentimes, in my opinion. But just want to give you guys a quick look-see at this new project. Look at all those paint chips, that's a shame. But we're going to get started here in a few minutes, and we'll come back. Sally's over there grumbling. She's been sitting outside for about a week or two now. I get back out of the sun so I can see how to turn this thing off. I can't see squat. Man. Okay, guys. If you're on Facebook, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, make a comment, like it, whatever it is you do on Facebook. Look at Miss Angela there, just a grinning. She can't wait to get her hands on this Mustang. As nor can I. It's going to be a heck of a challenge. If you're on YouTube, if you'll hit that subscribe button, you'll be notified of all the new videos coming up on this project as well as other projects in the future. And you can go back and look at other previous video projects that I've posted, and you can have a lot of tips and information in some of those videos that reflect my personal approach to doing vehicles, the products I use, the equipment that I use. Doesn't mean that I'm right or that I'm always right. It's just my way of doing things, which seems to be relatively successful most of the time. But I appreciate everybody who took time out of their busy Saturday to watch our video live, and those who may watch it later. I do appreciate you guys very, very much. If you have a vehicle you want me to take a look at, hey, feel free to contact me. Or if you have a question, post it in the comments below. Send me a PM, private message, or whatever they call that stuff nowadays. Because sometimes people don't want to ask a question in front of other people. And that's okay. If you'll send me the question privately, I'll be happy to answer it and offer any help or advice that I can. I just like doing that for people. It's okay. It's okay. So I do appreciate everybody. Contact me if you want your car done or help with your car. Either way, I do appreciate you guys. We're about to get started. Have a great Saturday, everybody. And we got a brand new month today. Hey, it's August the 1st, 2020. Time marches on. But this will be the third car we've done for this customer. This one will be fun. I guarantee it. We're going to have to wet sand this thing after we get through with the strip wash and the clay bar and all that. It's going to have to be wet sanded. Yeah, if you didn't wet sand it, just compounded it, you can improve it to some degree. But I'm thinking wet sanding will transform this paint job. Wait and see. Y'all tune back in to see for yourselves. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.